Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you raw banana fry recipe that is super crunchy and spicy. You can serve as a side dish or you can serve as a tea time snack. However you want to serve it, these are super delicious, healthy and crunchy. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 2 raw bananas. These are the raw banana season, so you can find this in Indian grocery store or anywhere where the vegetables are available. Now cut both the ends from the banana as I am doing here. After cutting both the ends, remove the skin. So basically you have to take the knife and peel the skin carefully. At the edges the skin is little bit hard, but at the flat side the skin is very thin, so remove the skin carefully. Basically you have to remove the green part only. Avoid using the peeler to peel the skin from the banana. Once you have peeled the skin, now you can make the long slices from the banana, or you can cut it into 2 pieces and then make the thin slices as I am doing here. And if you are making it in bulk, then soak these slices into the water, otherwise it turned black. And before adding the dry ingredients, remove all the water and let it dry. So after cutting all the pieces, put it into the bowl or the plate, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, sprinkle on all over the pieces, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Red chili powder you can adjust according to your taste. And now start coating all the banana pieces. You can use brush to coat all the pieces. I'm using my hand. So basically you have to coat all the banana pieces. Once you have coat all these pieces into the dry ingredients, add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice and coat all the pieces into the lemon juice as even as possible. Once all the pieces coated as I have done here, now cover and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I will show you. It's been 15 minutes, the raw bananas are rest. Now remove the lid and you will notice it has slight moisture because we have added the salt in it, so it has slight moisture in it. Now take 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Now take one of the banana piece that we have garnished, or you can say that we have marinate. Coat it into the rice flour, tap off any excess rice flour. It will help to make this recipe more crispier. Similar way, take one by one all the pieces, coat it with the rice flour and then tap off the excess. Once it is done, then I will show you. After coating all the pieces, these are ready to fry. Take a skillet. I am using cast iron tawa. You can use non-stick tawa. Let it hot and then grease it with the oil. Now start placing one by one banana that we have coated into the rice flour. Make sure the heat is on low medium flame while cooking this recipe. Once placed all the pieces, grease oil on all the pieces and then cook it for about 2 minutes from one side. Once it is done, then I will show you. After 2 minutes, flip the pieces with the help of tongue or spoon and you will notice it is golden brown in color. Now flip all the pieces similar way, one by one. After flipping all the pieces, again grease it with the oil with a very light hand and then cook it for another 2 minutes from other side. After 2 minutes, this is done from the other side also, but because we have added the oil on top side, so I am going to cook it for another 1 minute on low medium flame. After 1 minute, this is how the crispy banana fries are ready. Remove these into the plate. one by one. Do it carefully because the tawa is very hot. Similar way, add the banana fries second batch onto the tawa, spread it evenly and then grease it with the oil and cook it for 2 minutes and then 1 minute, total 5 minutes you have to cook, and then the banana fries are ready. This is the second batch ready. I'll show you the one piece so that you have an idea of the color. This is how crispy and crunchy it is. After frying all the banana fries, these are ready. I will show you one piece. When you are breaking it, it will break easily. That means these are properly cooked from inside. So make sure when you are preparing this recipe, you have to cook these on low medium flame. Total cooking time for this recipe is 5 minutes on low medium flame. Serve hot these spicy and crunchy banana fries as a side dish with lunch or dinner or as an evening snack. Choice is yours. While preparing this dish, make sure to cook it on low medium flame after marinating with the dry ingredients. And once you have finished it, you can serve hot and enjoy with your friends and family. And if you like this easy recipe of banana fry, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.